Hi guys, so I was making my nails and I thought I should maybe make a video. So this is not a tutorial, this is just me making my nails. I have filed down most of the product and now I'm applying dehydrator and then some primer. Because I'm gonna be using acrygel, I'm gonna apply a layer of rubber base. And I'm going to cure it in the lab for 60 seconds. This time I want my nails to have an arch, so I'm gonna be using the dual forms. Now with the dual forms you need to try them on your nails before you apply the product. You need to see if they fit. Now in my thumbnail maybe I should have used a bigger dual form, but yeah. As you can see, I'm squeezing the product on the nail form. I'm gonna spread it with my gel brush. I'm using alcohol. You can use acrygel liquid. You can see in the inside of my thumbnail that I needed a little bigger dual form. Now I'm gonna press it on the nail, but I'm not gonna squeeze it too much. I just want it to stick. I don't want no bubbles. I want the cuticle area to be flossed. So I'm gonna clean everything and all the extra product with my brush with a little alcohol. And then I'm flipping my nail and with my brush I'm smoothing all the downside of the nail so it won't stick to my finger. And I'm gonna cure it for 60 seconds. I'm repeating the process for each one of my nails. If you have some excess product, you can scoop it out. We don't want a lot of extra product. We don't want to flood our nail. We just want a thin layer, a little more in the apex area, a little less on the end. When working with acrygel, you don't need to stress about the time, you don't need to stress about curing. You work it as long as you want and then you cure it in the lamp. For this set, I'm using a light pink shade of acrygel. It's very natural because I'm going to do a multicolor ombre. I want it to have a French fade look to it, so a light pink base is perfect for this. Now I have damaged my ring finger. I've hit it some time ago and it hurts, so I'm not gonna be building it super long, but I'm still gonna be doing the ombre effect. Don't forget to swipe off any excess product from your cuticles. Product cures on your cuticles, it won't be an easy time removing them, so be careful about this. I've removed all the forms except for my thumb. Usually it's really easy to remove them, but they're really long, so they need a little more pressure. When using dual forms you don't need to do much filing. I'm just filing the edges. As you can see, the surface is very shiny, so I'm going to buff it with a nail buffer. Because I'm gonna do the ombre effect and I want the gel polishes and the gel colors to stick on the nail, I need the surface to be a little more rough. I'm cleaning all the dust particles with some alcohol, and now it's time to paint. Now I'm painting half of my nail with my first color, it's a hot pink, and then with my ombre tool, it's a sponge tool, I'm basically dabbing it and fading the color upwards. I'm curing it in the lamp and continuing the process, starting a little lower this time, and repeating for the last time, starting a lot lower and fading upwards. Before switching colors, I always clean all my tools and brushes, so I avoid any kind of color contaminations. Now the things that you have to be very cautious about dual forms when working with acrygel is that you don't want to have any air pockets. If you have air pockets, there's a very good risk of the nails lifting or moisture getting trapped in your nail, and you really don't want that. To avoid that, I keep pressing with my hand for the first like 5 seconds when I cure it in the lamp, and yeah. Also, the nail forms should be as straight as possible, because when you cure them, if they're crooked, they're gonna stay crooked. Even if you file them down, it's very hard to change that. Okay, now I'm applying a clear top coat. This one is non-wipe. I'm thinking I'm gonna put a little crystal heart in the short nail. Okay, I'm gonna cure everything and take a little more care on my cuticles and clean them up, put some cuticle oil, and then we're done.